Bloom is eating avocado mash with black beans and whipped bone marrow. I am starving, so I quickly chopped up sweet potatoes with sweet paprika, turmeric, pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Put up her spoon. There you go, boo. There you go. Some kimchi. I made some tahini with lemon and salt and water. Avocado and sweet potatoes. Air fried. That's lunch. I'm gonna dip it right in here. Here you go.
Look at the furnace now.
Here you go.
So you make sure that we do.
Here you go.
A bubble. A bubble.
Here.